Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make shrimp egg rolls in an air fryer. First, prepare your shrimp by peeling, deveining, and finely dicing them into small pieces. Next, combine the diced shrimp with a mix of shredded cabbage, carrots, and your favorite seasonings like soy sauce and ginger. Make sure all the ingredients are thoroughly mixed together to ensure every bite is bursting with flavor. This initial preparation is key for delicious results. Now let's get to wrapping. Lay an egg roll wrapper flat on a clean surface. Place about 2 tablespoons of your shrimp and vegetable filling slightly below the center. Fold the bottom corner of the wrapper over the filling, then fold in the 2 side corners towards the center. Roll the wrapper tightly from the bottom up, creating a neat cylinder. Use a little water on the top corner to seal it securely. For that perfect crispy texture, lightly brush each egg roll with a small amount of oil, like sesame or vegetable oil. Arrange them in a single layer in your air fryer basket, making sure not to overcrowd it. You might need to cook them in batches. Air fry at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 to 12 minutes, flipping them halfway through. They should turn a beautiful golden brown. Once your shrimp egg rolls are golden and crispy, carefully remove them from the air fryer. Let them cool for just a few minutes before serving, as they will be quite hot. They are absolutely delicious served warm with your favorite dipping sauces, like a sweet chili sauce or a tangy soy ginger dip. These air-fried shrimp egg rolls make a fantastic appetizer or a satisfying snack for any occasion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.